Hello, welcome back. And right now we are going to design the center div, which is a center navigation section. So let's open up the CSS file. So as you can see, we have designed the left logo section. This is a center div section. So we have the unordered list selected. To remove this bullet points, we will simply use a property which is called list style, which is used to style the list, and it has several different value which you can give to style the bullet point. When we want to remove the bullet points, we simply say list style none, and the none value will remove the bullet point from the left. When we refresh the page, you can see it's removed the bullet point. So we have removed the bullet point for the center div, and we will say for the ally element we will say display inline block. It will align side by side as a inline block. So when we save the file and refresh the page, you will see it's aligning the list side by side. Let's give a font size to the icons. So let's open up the CSS, and here's the rule for selecting the font or some icon of the center menu. We will say font size, and the font size will be 24 pixels. So when we refresh the page, you will see the icon is now getting the 24 pixels. So let's add the width property to give each and every ally element a width. So we will say here to the list, we will say, let me give some space from the top, from the bottom as well, and here we will add a width property, and I will say 29 pixels and save the file, and let's refresh the page. As you can see, all the list item is now given the width of 29 pixels, but we need to center the icon because the icon is, you can see, is aligned on the left. For centering the icon, we use text align property, and the value for the text align property can be left, can be right, but we want our icon to be in the center. So we'll say center, and when we refresh the page, you can see the icon will be in the center. So let's change the color of the icon, which is given the blue. The icon is blue because it's wrapped inside the anchor point. So let's give the color to the icon. So for the icon, we will simply give a color property and paste our color value, which is C4, C4 and C4. When we save the file and when we refresh the page, you will see our icon is given the color of C4, C4 and C4, which is a slightly gray color, little bit darker from the background. So we have given the color, and we also given the font of some icon a size of 24 pixels. And for the UI element, we have removed the style from the value of none, and we have given the ally element width of 129 pixels. We have aligned the item to center, and we have set our display property to inline block. So I think that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.